What is up, my internet peoples? Today I got some Marvel news for us to take a look at, so let's go ahead and dive in. According to The Wrap, the talented actress Zendaya, who was cast in Marvel and Sony's upcoming film Spider-Man Homecoming, she is playing the title love interest for Peter Parker, Mary Jane Watson. Now, before all of you guys go rage mode, let's take a deep breath, calm down, think about warm milk in your tummy. Let's think about this unconfirmed rumor for a second. This isn't official or confirmed news, you guys. This is just a rumor. We don't know if this is fact or even false. So let's take all of this with a grain of sugar and salt because we don't know. We might be jumping to conclusions too fast. You shouldn't be jumping for joy or raging with pain because we don't know if this is true or false. The Wrap normally has good sources, yes, but they have been wrong in the past. And all the post even says, as I'm about to read for you guys, Zendaya will be playing longtime Spider-Man love interest Mary Jane Watson in next summer's Spider-Man Homecoming. Two individuals with knowledge of the project told The Wrap. Who were these individuals who told The Wrap? I know they probably can't conceal if they were a part of the project. They can't conceal their identities, but that post just sounds a little sketch to my ears. It just sounds a little out there, so random, just to see like some people can get some quick clicks really quick. And now it's taken over the internet. And if Zendaya is playing Mary Jane Watson, I'd personally be fine with it. She is drop-down gorgeous. Zendaya is a talented, beautiful actress. She looks good in almost every outfit that she wears. So if she was playing the role of Mary Jane Watson, at least Mary Jane would be looking really, really fine. But I'm still leaning towards the false side when it comes to this rumor. Marvel isn't afraid to change the race of a comic book character. As we know, we've seen in Iron Man 3 and also in Spider-Man Homecoming, Tony Revolori, he's portraying the new Flash Thompson. So it wouldn't be surprising to me if this rumor would turn out to be true and Marvel did race bin the character of Mary Jane, but that's not what they have been telling us. That's not what they've been saying at Comic-Con, so unless they're flat out lying to our faces to throw us off the track. At Comic-Con, Jon Watts, the director, and even Kevin Feige have always referred to Zendaya's character as Michelle. So that's why a lot of people in the beginning believed that she was playing Michelle Gonzalez, one of Peter Parker's former love interests in the comic books, and one of an intense love interest. Plus, I don't really think Marvel would change the hair color of Mary Jane Watson. That's a staple for Mary Jane Watson, the scarlet red hair. So unless they're going to digitally CGI Zendaya's hair, or if Zendaya is wearing a wig when they film, in these set photos, Zendaya's hair is not red. That's also one of the reasons why I don't think Zendaya is portraying Mary Jane Watson. But now that these rumors are out there, I'm happy to see that the majority of Twitter is thrilled with the aspect of Zendaya playing Mary Jane Watson. And for all the trolls, let the trolls talk, whatever. People have their own opinions, right? We can all have our own opinions, right? Plus, also a fact that I've also noticed in this Spider-Man Homecoming movie, people have to take note that modern-day Queens is a hella more diverse than what the Sam Raimi and Mark Webb films showed us in the past. So I'm happy that Disney and Marvel are taking these steps to give us a more diverse cast, because I believe it really reflects what a modern day teenager what they would see in a modern day public school setting, especially in New York City, which is a giant melting pot. So I'm not surprised that Disney is taking these steps because they like to be really authentic with their productions. This Spider-Man Homecoming film is still something new and yet something borrowed, and I really can't wait to get that first tease. Let us hope that we will get one by the end of this year. So thank you for watching, everyone. How do you all feel about Zendaya possibly portraying Mary Jane Watson? Is it a big deal as people are making it out to be? To be honest, if she can act and fit the role and is playing Mary Jane Watson, then good, but we will wait to see who she is really playing. As I stated earlier, I don't really think she's playing Mary Jane Watson. So let's just let this film roll out before we start throwing our 2 cents at everything. Keep it classy now, y'all. Peace. Also, currently at this moment in time in my life, I'm on the IBDM page, IMBD. It says Zendaya. I'm looking at the cast list right now. It says Zendaya is playing Michelle. So I guess we gotta wait and see next summer. Hopefully we get a little tease, maybe a little tease with Doctor Strange, maybe. Let's be real, they ain't giving us no tease till the Super Bowl probably.